Hey everyone, welcome to Nor Telecom. Today we have an iPhone SE 2020 with a problem where the phone keeps restarting again and again. Let's start the repair. First, we power off the phone completely, then remove the two bottom screws and open the display carefully using a suction cup and a plastic pry tool. After disconnecting all flex cables, we place the logic board under the microscope to start checking the charging section. While checking the lines in the charging port circuit, we find that line number 8 is missing. To confirm it, we open the board diagram on the computer and trace where the 8th line comes from. After locating the original pin, we clean that area properly with flux and soldering iron. Since the line is missing, we use a very thin copper wire to make a jumper connection. We solder one end of the wire to the main pin. Then route it carefully along the board using small drops of UV glue to hold it in place. After positioning the wire completely, we cure the glue using a UV light. Next, we connect the other end of the copper wire to the 8th pin of the charging port. Solder it neatly, and clean the area with cotton and flux. Finally, We apply a thin layer of UV glue again and cure it with the UV light for proper insulation. After finishing the jumper, we reassemble the phone and power it on. The phone now turns on perfectly and no longer restarts. Repair successful. Thanks for watching Nor Telecom.